This client came in off of my waitlist looking to get a major color correction. She had almost 2 inches of grow out. She also had a lot of darkness throughout the very ends and a lot of banding near the root. Since we were only going to be working on the ends today, I made sure that I was mixing Olaplex into my lightener so that we could protect them as much as possible. Every single foil had to be applied differently. I took really thin sections and applied lightener wherever the darkest bands were, then weaved out the dark pieces from the ends, put another foil, and lightened that. The main goal today was to get the hair as even as possible while still keeping it healthy. We decided to save the roots for a second process so that I could see how the hair is going to oxidize, see where else I have to fix, and make sure the root is perfect. When I started to remove the foils, I could already see how much more even the hair was. There was no longer dark strands throughout the bottom, and most of the hair besides the root was a pretty even level 9 blonde. I had Olaplex number 8 on her ends for this entire process so that they wouldn't get any further damage. When I rinsed out the hair, you could see that it's already so much more even. I then used Olaplex number 2 before applying the gloss, and we were so happy with the results for the first session. The blonde was so much more even and so much brighter and was way more complimentary on her skin tone. I'm so excited to show you guys how incredible the results for part 2 are.